Hey everyone, Mitchell Gould here, and in today's video I'm going to give an overview of Loom, how I've been using it, and then I'll go through an actual example of recording a Loom video. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So I've been using Loom for about 3 months now, and I primarily use it to send recordings of performance for my marketing clients. So I provide LinkedIn ads and Google Ads consulting services, and I monitor the performance and set up the campaigns for different clients. And each week for clients, I'll review the performance in a quick video and go over next steps and action items. And then I send that to the client so they can review it, and it helps eliminate some meetings. And I also use it to respond to questions. So sometimes it's easier to respond with a video and go over an actual example and send that to a client. So it's been overall a great tool for communication, reducing time on meetings with clients, and that's primarily how I've been using it. So I'm on the business account and I pay per month. So as of right now, if you pay per month, it's $15 per month. And the things that I like most about it is it's really simple to use, and you can edit and trim the recordings if needed. I also like that you can send the link and you can have it sped up. Sometimes I speak a little bit slower and take a little time to explain some things. So you can send it at like 1.5 speed, and that will just makes it quicker, and the client can still adjust the speed if they want, but I like that feature a lot. So now I'm just going to go through an example of how I use it and show you the interface real quick. So this is when I log in. This is what it looks like. There's a library where you can see your videos. The cool thing too is you get notifications when someone views your video. So if you send it to a client, you'll get an email. You can set up your notifications and get notified when they view it. And then you can edit your videos in here as well. So as an example, so how I use it is I'll click this extension at the top, and then it'll pull up this little dialog here. So I have my audio going, I have my camera going, and you can see me in the bottom corner. And then I'll pick a window. So I'll click start recording, and I'll choose this current window here. And then it counts down. So sometimes I usually start and go, hey client, hope you had a great week. Just sending over some performance items. And I go through the accounts, and I have my other dashboards that I run through. I'll also run through some next steps or some slides and review items that way. And then after I'm done recording, I just click the extension here, and then that stops the recording and it will pull it up. So then I'll give the video a title. So I'll just call it like weekly update for an example. And then what you can do is you can edit it. So you can edit by transcript. You can trim and stitch it if you want to trim certain things out. This is where you can adjust the speed of it, and then you can send it at a faster speed. So I'll leave it at 1.5, and then you click share, and then you can copy the link to the video and then send that in Slack or in an email to your clients or to your team. This is also great for if you're just answering a question in Slack and it's easier to show a visual example. You can do it that way. You can also share the video at a certain time point. And I'm sure there's a lot more features that you can do here, but that's primarily how I've been using it. So I just wanted to share, how I found it helpful. And if you have any questions on it, please put them in the comment section. If you're also using it and you have some cool features that you like about it, please put them in the comment section too. So thanks for watching and have a great day.